This has been really bugging me. So today we're going to fix it. Excuse me. You seem like you know what you're doing.
Not really.
Because I measured this and it's 3.4. You reckon that would be like an M3?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Thanks. Sorry, I just bought this. I was wondering if I can borrow a pair of scissors to open it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Maybe it should have been M4. Can you help me cut it again? It's so lame if it doesn't work. Is this too long? Thank you. Okay, I'll try this first. No more floppy lights. Is it possible to still return these or no?
Yeah, that's fine. What was it for?
I was trying to fix my bike and I kept
all
buying the
good.
wrong ones.
Do you want to go look for the right one?
I already did.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
That was the thing. Guess we'll just go home now.